Hey everyone, welcome back to Mentority, the channel where we explore ways to enhance your skills and knowledge. I'm Vinay, and today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone who wants to captivate their audience: how to make stunning presentations. If you want to make a presentation in 60 seconds, then the best tool for you to do so is Gamma.app. Gamma.app is an AI-based presentation maker that can create a stunning presentation for you with just a few steps. You can follow the steps below to make a presentation with Gamma.app. First step, sign up. The initial step in creating a presentation with Gamma.app is to sign up. Gamma.app offers a free basic version. However, if you want to create professional presentations, you can opt for the paid version. Second step, enter the prompt. Once you sign up, you'll see a dashboard, similar to what you can see on your screen right now. Select Presentation by clicking on the Presentation tab, and enter your prompt. For instance, suppose you want to create a presentation on how VR headsets are changing the medical industry. Then enter this topic in the prompt, and Gamma will create an outline of the presentation based on your topic. Third step, edit the outline. Your next step in creating a presentation is to edit the outline presented by Gamma. Gamma can provide you with a longer presentation of 8 to 9 slides or more. If you want a shorter presentation, you can delete a few sections. In case you need a longer presentation, add a few more sections depending on your topic and desired presentation length. Fourth step, choose your theme. In the next step, choose the best theme for your presentation. You can either use the Surprise Me button to let Gamma AI choose the best template for you, or select from the available templates, and then click on the Continue button. Gamma AI will create a stunning presentation for you, which you can export, either in the form of a PDF or PowerPoint format. I have included the presentation in the description to show you the quality of the presentations generated by Gamma.app. Using ChatGPT and Office 365 to generate a presentation. You may have noticed in the presentation created by Gamma.app that some parts were not properly generated. Therefore, you can use this AI tool for making presentations on generic topics. However, if you want to create a presentation on research topics or complex business subjects, you can use ChatGPT together with Office 365 Online to generate a stunning presentation with proper content. Follow the steps below to create your presentation with the help of ChatGPT. Using DIF, define, evaluate, iterate, and finalize approach to generate content. DIF is the best approach to use ChatGPT for creating any content or carrying out extensive research. It is best if you need quality results for making a presentation on complex business or research topics. Following are the common steps of DIF approach. Define. The first step in the DIF approach to creating a presentation is to define your topic briefly. Don't just ask ChatGPT to provide content for your presentation in this step. Instead, ask it to provide suggestions on a specific topic. For instance, suppose that you have a research topic for making presentation: how increasing population of the world is creating economic concerns in the world? Then, you can use following prompt to define your topic. ChatGPT, I want to create a presentation on the topic how the increasing world population is causing economic concerns. What are your suggestions on this topic? Please include updated information and data for the presentation. ChatGPT will provide you an outline of your presentation, which you can use to evaluate a next step. Evaluate. Now, it's time to use your analytical skills and evaluate the presentation outline provided by ChatGPT. I have found in my evaluation that adding reliable data is crucial for a presentation, in this case. Therefore, I use the following prompt. That's a nice start for a presentation. Can you also provide me links to sites or data tables for any specific data related to this topic? I have realized in this case that using Bard is preferable for this query, because ChatGPT's language model was locked in 2021 and doesn't provide updated information. So, Bard's updated language model is suitable for use in this case. Iterate. Now, it's time to iterate and create the best format for your presentation that you will provide to ChatGPT or Bard for generating a presentation. Ask a few more questions related to your presentation topic, and add or delete the headings as needed. You can also instruct ChatGPT to add or delete any headings that are not relevant to the topic. Finalize. Now, it's time to finalize your presentation. Provide the final outline with the relevant headings you need in your presentation. Ask ChatGPT to use short sentences and not more than 5 bullet points per slide. I have realized that Bard provided me with a full presentation instead of ChatGPT, which was giving me only an outline every time I asked it to generate the full presentation. I think the paid version, ChatGPT 4, will create the full presentation. So, use either Bard or ChatGPT 4 to generate the full presentation. You can use following prompt with your topic if you need. Bard, based on the suggestions you provided and the discussion we have had so far on the topic, how the increasing world population is causing economic concerns, please write a presentation of 5 to 6 slides with the following headings: Introduction, Current Population Trend, Economic Implications, Economic Disparities, and Conclusion. Please use only bullet points, with no more than 5 bullet points on each slide. Keep the sentences short and to the point. Using Office 365 Online to generate a stunning presentation. Once you have obtained the final content of your presentation from ChatGPT 4 or Bard, you can follow these steps to complete your final presentation. First step, sign in to Office 365. Office 365 is a free online application, similar to Office. Sign up for an account by visiting the website through a simple Google search. Second step, copy-paste your presentation. After signing up, copy and paste your content from the ChatGPT or Bard platform to a blank Word file. Rename and save the file. Use bold letters for the headings, and label each slide as Slide 1, Slide 2, and so on. A sample Word file is provided in the description for your reference. Third step, export to PowerPoint. With your Word file ready, click on the file and export it to PowerPoint. Office 365 will prompt you to choose a theme, so select the best theme, and then click the Export button. Your presentation will be generated within a few seconds. Proofread your presentation to check for any needed changes, or if you want to add or delete a few slides. This approach works well, especially when creating presentations on complex business or research topics. That's a wrap for today's video on how to make stunning presentations. I hope you found these tips valuable. I have also provided all the presentations and Word files I used during this video in the description section for your reference and guidance. If you have any questions or want to share your own presentation tips, drop them in the comments below. And remember to subscribe to Mentority for more insights into personal and professional development.